Alright, so today's project at hand, we're just going to be moving all this river stone from here to over here. And we could do it by hand, but when you have a machine to do all the work for you, why not? So we're going to see how long this takes us. It'll probably take us maybe an hour, maybe two at the most. We also have to do down the other side over here. And we're going to carry this all out down to the fence. So let's see how long it takes us. So that didn't take very long, so we're going to spread this out by hand, see how much more we need in here, and then we'll do the other side. So we'll come back to you in just a second. Alright, so we got that side done, and we got that side done. It took us about 2 hours, and it could have got done a little quicker if we didn't have to move everything by hand. But it took us 2 hours, and not bad for a one-day job. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you